Now we will continue our team coverage of the record rainfall here in Southwest Florida. Lots of areas in Lee County, especially in Cape Coral, have seen major flooding over the last 3 days. And that's where we find 4 in Your Corner Sam Sosa live. She's monitoring the conditions out there right now. Sam?
Go.
Yeah, Lisa, it's not raining right now. It's been dry for the last 30 minutes or so, but you can definitely see the effects these last 2 days of rain has had in Cape Coral. Right here where I'm standing, it is flooded. You can take a look at my boots and see I am ankle or shin deep in this stuff, and it's much deeper in other areas. I can't go too much further to my right here. All this flooding has prompted several road closures, one of them being right here near Chiquita and near Trafalgar, excuse me. I spoke to several residents who have been affected by these closures.
Oh, I live on an island now.
Some in Cape Coral can now say they own waterfront properties as rain continues inundating the streets in Cape Coral and Pine Island.
That area over there on Chiquita floods every time we get 3 inches of rain or more.
Chiquita Boulevard near Trafalgar Parkway, just one of the areas that have been shut down. John Thompson tells me his street floods every time they get rain, but in his 20 years living here, it's never been this bad.
I'm just thankful it didn't get up into the house. It got through the roof, but it didn't get anywhere else.
Over on Santa Barbara Boulevard, cars made waves trying to cross Pine Island Road. You can see the road is partially closed off here.
These guys, my son back here, they were just kayaking down the street for fun because it doesn't happen every day. You can go kayaking down.
Meanwhile, folks are finding creative ways to maneuver their way around Burnt Store Road. It's completely underwater near Kismet Parkway, and Cape Police are asking people to take Old Burnt Store Road instead. Jim Martin decided to check out the area in his truck, telling me he's never seen the road like this.
No, this road's never been this washed out and flooded.
And if you head west, people on Bokeelia are struggling to stay dry too. Some at the Palms at Pine Island Mobile Park tell Fox 4 they decided to evacuate.
Seen a couple getting stalled.
Others decided to stay, but say it's been hard to get around in a car.
Pond over there has been making it worse. Like, it's all flooded everywhere, and it's hard to come outside.
Go.
We're going to continue watching these conditions out here, and for a full list of road closures, you can check our website. That's fox4now.com. For now, I'm live in Cape Coral. Sam Sosa, Fox 4 in your corner.